In this video, I'm going to show you how much does Canva Pro actually cost, and of course, how can you get one for yourself. There are a lot of people out there who are looking for a Canva Pro access so that they'll be able to have access to unlimited designs, templates, and of course, they can design just the way they want. Designing from social media, presentation, whiteboard, docs, video, website design, Instagram post, brochure, photo editor, and some other free tools on the platform. But then, if you notice that you are running a free Canva account, there will be some limit to some certain designs you will be able to do on Canva free account. And of course, there are pro designs inside the Canva platform, which of course if you are running a free account, you won't be able to have access to them. So for you to be able to get access to unlimited design on Canva, you have to be on the pro account by upgrading your account from the free account to the pro, or be on a team account, which of course you will have access to unlimited designs on Canva. But then if you are looking for how much does it actually cost to get a Canva Pro, so I'm going to show you in this video, and I also have a best offer for you if you are just interested in getting a Canva Pro just for yourself. There's an offer which of course I would like you to also jump into to be able to have access to unlimited designs on Canva. So all you just need to do, just let me just walk you through the pricing page on Canva. So you can see what's included with Canva Pro. You can see working solo, increase your productivity, manage your brand, and build your business with Canva. Start your free trial today. So with billing for a year, you can save up to 33% yearly, and for monthly, you also see what they said you'll be able to save. But then with Canva Pro, you have to pay $15 per month for one person. You can see right here. And comparing the free account with the pro account, you see what you'll be getting. They are offer over 250,000 free templates for the free design. But trust me, you might not like almost everything. And if you are kind of like have some experience about design, probably you may be able to pull up some certain features to be able to design something amazing on Canva for free. But then if you are just kind of like someone like me who love some working on some templates and make it to look more like what I actually need. So I think Canva Pro is actually the best go to if you are just someone like me or you need access to unlimited design. So I'll just advise you to go with the Canva Pro. But then can you actually afford paying $15 per month to access Canva Pro? Because there are not that maybe you really need this Canva Pro to design on a daily basis. Probably not just on a daily basis, but you actually know that you need this Canva Pro. So should you go for this? Is it not too much for you to pay for? And if you are going for a year plan, you see you have to be paying like $120 to get Canva Pro for just 1 year. But can you actually pay for that, or do you think it's actually worth it paying for Canva Pro for 1 year? I think that answer is left to you because I don't know what kind of person you are and where you're actually watching the video from. And of course, I'm just trying to make this content more easier for everyone out there who are looking for how much does Canva Pro actually cost, so that you might give it some thoughts. Do you really want to go for this, or just want to back off and go for another tools, or just keep using the free Canva account? So there's another offer that I have for you, which of course you will have access to Canva Pro within 6 months to 1 year. So this offer is available to everyone out there who is more like interested in getting a Canva Pro account, and this cost you just $7 if you are in a country where they spend dollars, and if you are in Nigeria, this is gonna cost you 5,000 naira. So if you are in another country, just calculate that with $7, and you'll be able to get access to Canva Pro for between 6 months to a year without any interruption. This is actually perfect. It's working perfectly with your Gmail. You're gonna provide your Gmail. Just this is just like using a normal Canva Pro account. So there is no interruption or anything. You can design unlimited, have access to any design template you want, and everything works so perfectly. So I'm going to provide a link to this particular page in the description of this video, and I'm very sure once you go for this, you'll be able to get access to this offer. So all you just need to do is just click on the link, then click on buy now. Then you can see right here the cost. And if you are in other country, you also see that it's gonna show you access to Canva Pro. So you don't have to include this one right here. Just remove this if it show you just like this. So just remove that. Then you can see the total amount. Then you can click on checkout. Like I said, if you're in other country, it's gonna show you just $7 to be able to pay for this offer right here. So you can just go for this, and trust me, it's a perfect offer for you. And the price might actually go up. So I don't know when exactly you're trying to watch this video, but then I think between this price or this strike price, you should be able to get it. And either of the two, you can still compare it with the original price. So it's left to you to decide on what exactly you want to do. I show you the original price on the platform and also another offer, which of course you might be kind of like interested in going for. So let me know in the comment section how you feel about this and what you're gonna do, or if you have any question. Thank you.